In this video, I'll show you how to fix text messages not working on iPhone. So if you're having trouble with the text messages on your iPhone, then here's a real guide of how you can fix them all at once. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, to not fix the text message problem on iPhone, the very first thing that you have to do is just to go ahead and open up the settings application from your iPhone and then scroll down to the bottom, tap on apps here, and then scroll down to the message application. You just need to find out the messages. So you'll get to see the message application. You just need to tap on this. And first thing first, you just need to scroll down and tap on default messaging app. Make sure you have selected the messages. If it's selected with the WhatsApp or other application, you just to make sure you have selected the messages here, and then get back from here and then scroll down. And make sure to enable the iMessage if you're using the iMessages feature. You just need to enable this and you can tap on send and receive, and make sure you have select the right phone number where exactly you want to get the iMessages, and then get back from here for the last time. And once you have done that, you just need to get back to the main settings of your iPhone for the last time, and from the settings homepage you just need to scroll down to the notifications. So just need to tap on notification and scroll down and tap on messages here. Just need to find out the messages, go ahead and tap on this and make sure the notification is enabled. Also enable the critical alerts, time sensitive notifications, and also in the alerts make sure to enable all these options: lock screen, notification sender, and banner. And also enable the badges. And for the last one, you just need to select show preview and make sure to select it always. And once you're done, you just need to get back from here and then force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, just release the button and this will force restart your iPhone. And once you get back, most likely your text message problem will be solved. Hope you found this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.